Now let's try this chemical equation, which is quite tricky, but it has a solution. Let's get started. First, we will write the elements: carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. Here also carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. Taude atomic number consini na carbon bata atomic number donga 6, hydrogen 6, oxygen 2, carbon 1, hydrogen 2, oxygen 3. 2, 1, total 3. Taude carbon beta 6, 6 million nagta 6 multiply kan angenok carbon 6 et kagenok. Taude oxygen atomic number ba change on pagenok 6 into 2 12. Yeni atomic number tango siya genok option. Taud hydrogen kuni singna hydrogen ni atomic number 2 is 6 dagi onget chma ode 6 odagata 3 chi multiply again 3 into 2 6. Taudi 3 hydrogen 6 ongjok option dagi atomic number change on thagenok da 0 1 chim taudi 3 ongenok mani 3 et katani gaman 12 plus 3 equal to 15 ongenok change ongenok 3 ani 15 ongenok. Yaba 6 yaba 6 option dagi yaba 6 dowde 2 out of 15 2 out of 15 amu selaban apcha ini gimana makna kesa formula donga 15 by 2 ya formula khoja khale solve kana mana 15 ongenok mana balance kana gata tang technique donga formula donga ko apply kana nanga plus 15 by 2 ya ko chemical equation no 15 by 2 siang ode standard form ungja ya ko senara krani pamili ungja uni ko mek nokna ya whole equation ko chemical equation ko 2 chi multiply kagenok 2 yara gesa compound oni gaman 2 C 6 H 6 mani gaman 2 C jana mani ra gesa compound o ni gaman cinnamon sandake Then salo yako 12 by 2 ko 2 chi multiply ka unode phangnan either 2 cancel kana mangen ba 2 into 15 30 ongen 30 ko 2 chi cancel ka ade 15 mangen uni gaman ede yan ongenok. Now yara 6 yara 2 taude 6 into 2 12 guess a molecule negaman CO2 plus 3 3 into 2 6 guess a molecule hydrogen molecule negaman H2O. Now let's see whether this chemical equation is balanced or not. Yani atomic number ko ino 6 ka ino taude carbon no beta dongen 6 into 2 12 hydrogen no 6 into 2 12 oxygen no 15 into 2 30 product ara making carbon ara 12 carbon. 12 carbon, hydrogen ara 6 into 2 ra 12. 12 hydrogen. And then oxygen ko nina dara ira 2 ira 12. 12 into 2 de 24. Ira plus tonga ira oxygen ira 6 oxygen. 24 plus 6 equal to 30. Tawde balance on jokhon carbon by 12 yeba 12 yeba 12 yeba 12 oxygen by 12 yeba oxygen by 12. So our chemical equation is balanced completely. This is the final chemical equation. Hence proof.